What is like your minimum bar for data quality? Like, how would you describe that?
Yeah, a lot of that depends on what it is you're trying to do. For example, if I'm doing some like chatbot where it's just going out and grabbing a piece of information, bringing it back, right? So it's, if I think of it like I talked about earlier, where it's like, give me a status of this ticket and bring it back. I'm less concerned around all of that because it's pretty simple versus if I'm trying to use it to rebalance the stock portfolio, right? Or if I'm using it to make decisions. Like if I'm having it go, is this incident worthy of, whatever, like triggering this event? If it's autonomously making decisions, then the data quality bar is way higher than, just grabbing information for it back. So it's hard, it's really hard to answer that in one simple way, but it's more of what I would say to anybody listening is it's about really understanding what you're trying to do with it. Just kind of think about how we do with security controls in general, right? We typically think about what's our risk tolerance, and then we design controls around it. It's the same thing, right? So we're saying, you know, what is our risk tolerance of this AI capability? Does it need to be, you know, 5 nines uptime and accuracy, or is it okay if it is not always there? Is 90% accuracy okay? And that depends on what it is you're doing with it. And so I think that's where you kind of have to do that assessment up front. You have to kind of think about like what is it you're okay with, and a lot of this we already have in place. If you think about like machine learning and other aspects of data science, it's the same things we've always done. It's just a new tool to do it.